Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your BMW X3 grille. This is an easy guide for anyone looking to customize or replace their front grille. First, gather your essential tools: a trim removal tool, a T20 torque screwdriver, and some painter's tape. Always ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface with the engine completely off before you begin any work. Protecting your paintwork is crucial, so apply tape around the grille. Now, let's get started by opening the hood of your BMW X3. This will give you clear access to the top section of the grille assembly. You will notice several plastic clips running along the upper edge. These are the first fasteners we need to address. Take your trim removal tool and gently, but firmly, pry each of these clips open. Work slowly to avoid any damage to the plastic components. With the top clips released, gently pull the upper part of the grille forward just enough to create a small gap. This allows you to reach behind the grille. You'll find the lower retaining tabs, usually 4 to 6 of them, securing the bottom edge. These can be a bit trickier. Carefully depress each tab using your fingers or a small flathead screwdriver, applying gentle pressure to release them one by one. After all the clips and tabs are successfully released, the entire grille assembly should now come free. Carefully pull it straight out from the vehicle. Before you reinstall, take a moment to inspect the mounting points for any dirt, debris, or potential damage. For reinstallation, simply align the new or cleaned grille with the openings and push firmly until you hear and feel all the clips securely engaging back into place. It's that simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.